Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about 200 MCQs on repertory section, okay, for AIA PGET exam. So let us start with the video. So first question is, who is the father of logico-utilitarian repertory? So first question, who is the father of logico-utilitarian repertory? So the right answer is Bonning-Hussen. Okay, so Bonning-Hussen is the father of logico-utilitarian repertory. So question number 2, utility of a repertory depends upon. So utility of repertory depends upon case taking, knowledge of repertory, intelligent use of resulting analysis. So right answer is all of the above. Question number 3, the word repertory has originated from. So it has originated from both the word repertorium also and repertoire also. Okay. Question number 4, in materia medica information is collected from. So we all know this. It is collected from all these sources: toxicology, drug proving, clinical experience. So right answer is all. Question 5, which is not true regarding use of repertory? So repertory is not used to find out simillimum. Okay, it is used for second prescription, study of materia medica, and as a reference book, not for finding out simillimum. Okay. Question 6, who told every repertory is useful? Unfortunately, not one is complete. So this statement was given by Dr. Boger. Okay, so he said that every repertory is useful but none of them is complete. Every repertory is useful but no one is complete. So the statement was given by Dr. Boger. Question 7, fragmenta de viribus medicamentorum positivis contain index in. So it contain index in second part. Okay, so question 7, fragmenta de viribus medicamentorum positivis contain index in second part. Question 8, Jahar repertory was published in the year 1835. So remember this, Jahar repertory was published in the year 1835. Question 9, Jahar repertory has how many volumes? So remember 3 volumes. So right answer is option B, 3 volumes. Question 10, Jahar adopted Bonning-Hussen evaluation method in which edition of his repertory? So Jahar adopted Bonning-Hussen's evaluation method in 4th edition of his repertory. So remember 4th edition of his repertory. Question number 11, repertory of antisoric was prefaced by. So repertory of antisoric was prefaced by Dr. Henneman. So we all know this. Question number 12, Verwan-Saffin repertorium was published in the year 1836. So this question is repeatedly asked. Okay, so remember Jahar repertory was published in 1835. Year is important. So Jahar repertory 1835, and this particular repertory, it was published in 1836. So star mark this question. Question number 12 is very important and frequently asked in the exam. 1836 is the right answer. Okay. Question 13, repertory of comparative materia medica. So comparative materia medica was given by Adolphe Lippe. Okay, Adolphe Lippe gave the repertory of comparative materia medica. Question 14, a pocket manual of repertory was published of homeopathic materia medica was written by. So pocket manual was written by Bryant. Okay, so this question, this particular question, a pocket manual of repertory of homeopathic materia medica. So this was written by Bryant. Question 15, repertory of Bach. So Bach was written by Wilsey. Okay, so Bach was written by, repertory of Bach was written by Wilsey. Question 16, who wrote clinical repertory of new homeopathic remedies? So clinical repertory of new homeopathic remedies was written by O.A. Julian. O.A. Julian. Question 17, who wrote index of aggravation and amelioration? So index of aggravation and amelioration, when this question comes, so you should remember this name, Neatby and Stoneham. Neatby and Stoneham. So question 17 is done. Next, question number 18, which one is true regarding manual of homeopathy? So manual of homeopathy, we all know it is first Indian repertory is manual of homeopathy. Question number 19, which is not written by W.J. Guernsey? So not written is repertory of labor. It was written by Yingling. Okay, so Guernsey has written many repertory, including repertory of throat, repertory of hemorrhoids, repertory of mastitis. Okay, but not this. Question 20, Dr. B.K. Sarkar described total how many method of repertorization? So total 6 method. So B.K. Sarkar has described total 6 method of repertorization. So right answer is option B. Question number 21, if a case contain only common symptom, which method of repertorization to be used? So fifth method. If a case has only common symptoms, then we should use the fifth method of repertorization. Question number 22. If a case contain important pathological general, so for pathological general we used Boger's repertory for pathological general. Question 23. Rearrangement of totality in terms of repertory is called repertorial totality. So what do you understand by rearrangement of totality? It is the repertorial totality. Okay. Question number 24. Who told a well taken case is half cured? So this statement, a well taken case is half cured, this statement was given by Elizabeth Wright. Okay. Question 25. Who wrote a brief study course in homeopathy? So brief study course in homeopathy, total study, brief study course in homeopathy, this was also written by Elizabeth Wright. So remember these two lines, a well taken case is half cured and a brief study course in homeopathy. So these both statement, it was given by Elizabeth Wright. Question 26. Specific or characteristic symptom of a given disease or clinical condition is known as. So characteristic symptom of a disease, right? Characteristic symptom of a disease is known as pathognomic symptom, right? Pathognomic symptom, for example, Askoff nodules for rheumatic fever or rheumatic arthritis, whatever it is. Okay, so go check there. 27. Question 27. There should be at least keynote symptom to make a homeopathic prescription. So how many keynote? So there should be at least 3 keynote symptom to make a prescription. Question 28. Who first highlighted the importance of keynote symptoms? So who first highlighted the importance of keynote symptom? So this was given by H.N. Guernsey. So this question is also important. We know we keep prescribing on the basis of keynote, right? So who gave this importance of keynote symptoms? So it was given by Dr. H.N. Guernsey. 29. Question number 29. Who introduced eliminative symptom in repertorization? So it was introduced by Emil Tyler. Okay, so eliminative symptom was introduced by Emil Tyler. Question 30. Who introduced basic and determinative symptoms? So it was Garth Borick. Okay, so Garth Borick. Question 31. Diagnostic symptom are also known as. So diagnostic symptoms are known as the common symptom or the pathological and ultimate, all of the above. Question 32. Symptoms which are found prominently in a person. Okay, which are found prominently in a person but do not fit into totality. So they are found prominently in the person but they do not fit into the totality. This is characteristically known as accidental symptom. Okay. Question 33. Study of follow-up of a case. So follow-up, remember cat used to follow. Okay, so catamenesis. Right answer is catamenesis. For follow-up of case, catamenesis. Question 34. The word anamnesis originally is a Greek word. So anamnesis is a Greek word. I have written here Greek word. Question 35. Which one is not an essential component of complete symptom? So we all know location, sensation, modality, and then concomitant. So concomitant is not a essential component of the complete symptom, right? So answer is option D. Question 36. Modalities include all of the above: causation, exciting factor, and aggravation. Question 37. Who was the first to grade remedy? So we all know the answer, Bonnegussen. Question 38. Bonnegussen used total how many number of gradation? So total 5 grades used in BTPB, right? In Bonnegussen repertory. So 5 grades. Question number 39. Question number 39. Who gave the title Relationship of Remedies in Bonnegussen's repertory? So Relationship of Remedies, the title was given by Allen. Which Allen? T.F. Allen. Okay, so T.F. Allen. Question 40. Bonnegussen gave total how many how many points to understand full picture of disease? So total 7, right? So quiz, quid, all of that. So total 7 points he gave to understand full picture of disease. Question 41. Cure means cause of the disease. Okay, so cause of the disease. Which repertory should be used in case of in a case with scattered modality and no characteristic? So scattered modality is present and no characteristic, so we use Bonnegussen repertory. Question 43. Who invented the modern method of repertorization by BTPB? So who invented the modern method of repertorization by BTPB? Answer is Emil Davle. Question 44. Originally the BTPB contained how many remedies? So originally it contained only 126 remedies, right? Only 126 remedies originally BTPB had. Question 45. Section relationship of remedies of BTPB had how many remedies? So relationship contains 142 remedies. Okay, so question number 45, option C, right? So relationship of remedies contain 142 remedies section, right? Next 142, remember this number. Next question 46, total number of medicine in BBCR. Now in BBCR how many medicine? 464, 464 medicines. Next 47, second edition of BBCR was published by. So second edition, the first edition was published by Borick and Teffel, and the second is asked in the question. So second was published by Roy and Co. Question 48, concordance chapter of BBCR has how many? 125 remedies. Next question number 49, BBCR contain how many total chapters? So BBCR contain 53 total chapters and 464 medicines, 125 in concordance chapter. So remember these numbers for BBCR. Question number 50, which repertory contains separate subsection for concomitant symptom? So for concomitant symptom, it contains separate subsection. So answer is BBCR. Question number 51, Boger gave most importance to causation. Okay, so he gave most importance to cause. Question number 52, now total number of edition which was made by Boger in Kent repertory is 3302. Okay, 3302. Question number 53, different type of constitutions are found in the chapter of BBCR. So which chapter of BBCR we can find different type of constitution? So this is asked. So this is in the sensation and complaints. Okay, in general, sensation and complaint in general. So this is a star mark question. Question number 54, which one is best repertory for chronic fever cases? Whenever there is chronic fever cases, we can refer to BBCR. Next, synoptic key was written by, so Boger synoptic key. Question 56, at first Kent was physician of eclectic school, so we know this. Question 57, Lee compiled dash section of Kent's repertory. So head and mind, both the section of Kent repertory. Question 58, Kent repertory was published in the year 1897. So Kent repertory was published in the year 1897. First Indian edition of Kent repertory. So this was published in 1961. Okay, so Indian edition was published in 1961. Okay, question number 60, final general repertory of Kent is also known as revised first edition. So final general repertory is also known as revised first edition. Question number 61, Kent repertory is based on the philosophy of. So Kent repertory is based on the deductive logic, right? Question 62, generals are found under all the chapter, sleep, mind and generality, all the chapter of Kent repertory. Question 63, total chapter in Kent repertory is 37. Okay, total chapter is 37. Question 64, urinary organ contain subchapter in Kent repertory, how many? 5. Okay, question 65, rubric sensation is found in chapter of Kent repertory. So sensation, there is no such thing, none. Okay, so sensation is not found in Kent repertory. Next 66, rubric for mental symptom alternate with physical. So this symptom is found in mental chapter of the Kent repertory. Next chilblain, 67 question, chilblain is found in which chapter of Kent repertory? So chilblain, we can see this rubric as extremities, in extremities chapter. Question 68, ganglia is found in skin chapter. Ganglia is found in skin chapter. Okay, question 69, tertian fever is found in chill chapter. So tertian fever is found in chill chapter of Kent repertory. Question 70, which one should be given prime importance according to Kent? So mental general, right? So mental general including loves and hate. So love and hate, this is the prime importance given by Dr. Kent. Question number 71, largest chapter is extremities in Kent's repertory, right? Question 72, synthetic repertory. Synthetic repertory has 3 volume. Okay, so remember synthetic repertory has 3 volume. Question 73, there are dash variety of typography in synthetic repertory. So 4 variety, 4 typography. Okay, question 74, synthetic repertory contains general symptom. It contains general symptom and it has 3 volumes. Who first prepared card repertory? So W.J. Guernsey. W.J. Guernsey prepared for card repertory. Question 76, who first introduced evaluation of drugs in card repertory? So evaluation of drugs in card repertory was introduced by Marcos Gimenez. Question 77, maximum card present in which card repertory? So Jugal Kishore is the right answer. Question 78, third grade of complete repertory. So complete repertory, third grade is bold italics. Okay, bold italics. Question number 79, dream is found in which chapter of complete repertory? So in complete repertory, dream is found in the mind chapter. So remember this, dream is found in the mind chapter. Okay, maximum card present in card repertory. So this question is also very important. Question number 77. It was also very important. Okay, so Jugal Kishore maximum card repertory. 77, answer is B. Okay, question 80. Author of homeopathic medical repertory, we all know Robin Murphy. Synthesis is printed version of Radar. Okay, question 82. Synthesis version first appeared in the book form. Fifth edition, right? Fifth version. Okay, question number 83. Now question number 83. Kent Repertorium General was first published in which language? So in German language. Acha, I have written some extra point here. Kent Repertorium General was published by Jost, Kunjli Jost, right? 684 medicine is there, and it was published in German language. It has got two editions, 1987 and 1990. Question number 84. Which one is not a computer repertory? The Henneman, there is no such computer repertory. Rest all the profile, Kantian and Polycresta we can find. Question 85. Essential evolutionary totality, EET. It was given by whom? So ML Dhavle. Question 86. Concordance repertory. Gentry concordance repertory, right? It has how many volumes? So 6 volumes. Question 87. Concordance repertory was published in 1890. So 1890. So remember this year. Gentry concordance repertory. Question 88. Author of repertory of Herring guiding symptom of our materia medica is. So Herring guiding symptom author C.B. Nur. Question 89. Total number of medicine in Nur repertory. So total number of medicine in Nur repertory is 408. If so this also is important. Okay, and 48 chapter is there. Question number 90. Aphasia is found in which chapter of BBCR? So aphasia is aphasia is found in mind chapter. That's why this question is asked, because most of the student or even I would have ticked it under mouth chapter. Okay, but the right answer is mind. So remember, BBCR, in BBCR aphasia is found in the mind chapter. Question number 91. Which is not found in aggravation amelioration chapter of BBCR? So question number 91, right? So senility is not found. Rest all pregnancy, puberty, suppression. So this all we can found in the aggravation amelioration chapter of BBCR. Next, question number 92. Parotid gland is found in which chapter of BBCR? So parotid gland we found in the face. Question number 93. Desire and aversion of food is found in which chapter of BBCR? So appetite. So these all question is very important, rubric hunting type question. Question number 94. Which one is not found in mind chapter of BBCR? Not found. So faintness is not found. So this faintness is found in sensation and complaint. Okay, so rest all phlegmatic, whispering and photomania. Photomania is also found in the mind chapter. So remember this. Question number 95. Which one is alphabetical repertory? So all of the above. Father Muller, Bryant and Chandra and Srivastav. So these are all alphabetical repertory. Question 96. Total number of mental rubric in Kent repertory. So mind के जितने भी rubrics हैं, how many rubrics? 527 rubrics. Okay. Question 97. Smallest chapter of Kent repertory is prostrate. Okay, and rubric is only 4. Okay, for hearing chapter. So the next question, hearing chapter of Kent repertory contain how many rubrics? Only 4 rubric. Question number 99. Paranasal sinuses are found in which chapter of Kent repertory? Paranasal sinuses are found in both the chapter, face and nose. Both the chapter of Kent repertory, paranasal sinuses are found in face and nose. Okay, so face and nose of Kent repertory. So this is very important, paranasal sinus, right? Remember this, because sinuses are present in the face and as well as the nose. So remember like that, like this, and for Kent repertory. Next question number 100. Medicine for extravagance. So remember, belladonna is very kharchila type. Okay, so medicine for extravagance is belladonna in BBCR. So we are done with 100 question. Now next 100. 101. Drug for benevolence in Kent repertory. Coffee is the right answer. 102. In artistic way of selecting the rubric is use of eliminating rubric. No, 102. What is the right answer? A. Okay, so 102 the right answer is A only. Artistic way of selecting the rubric is use of eliminating rubric. Use the eliminating rubric and you will get through it. Question number 103. Who chose Bonnie Hussain repertory for chronic heart cases and uses Kent repertory for acute and simple chronic cases? So this person Erastus E. Case. Okay, so this person, Erastus E. Case, he used to do one thing. He used Bonny-Hussein repertory for chronic heart cases, and for simple cases he used to refer to Kent repertory, right? So this was the person named Erastus E. Case. So remember this person's name. Question number 104. First edition of BBCR was published by Borick and Tafel. So remember, first edition of BBCR, we have read it already. So it was published by Borick and Tafel. The second edition was published by Roy and Co. Question 105. Who tried to synthesize the Bonny-Hussein and Kent repertory? So who tried to synthesize the Bonny-Hussein and Kent repertory? It was C.M. Boger. So this is also important. C.M. Boger was the one who tried to synthesize the Bonny-Hussein and Kent repertory. Next, 106. Chapter Natural Relationship is given in Clark repertory. Okay, so natural relationship is given in Clark repertory. Question 107. Kishore Kart repertory can be used in which way? So 107 answer is option D, all. Okay, so Kishore card repertory we can use Kent artistic or eliminative process, working on all symptom, work from mental to physical general. So all of the above is the right answer. 108 Boger card repertory. Now very important question, card repertory, right? So Boger card repertory was published in the year 1924. So card repertory was published in the year 1924. So 1924 Boger card repertory. Question 109. Who made a punched card repertory? Was made it was introduced in 1912 by M.L. Tyler. Okay, so punched card repertory was introduced in 1912, M.L. Tyler, and this both the years. 110. Who improved Guernsey card repertory by adding remedies? So it was improved by Dr. H.C. Allen, okay, which we read Allen's keynote. 111. Guernsey card repertory was available in the profession in the year 1892. So this is also asked because it is the first card repertory, so it was available in the profession in the year 1892. Next, 112. Allen's Bonny-Hussein slip contain how many cards? So Allen's Bonny-Hussein slip, it contains 2500 cards. Okay, 2500. Now 113. In the year 2000, Jugal Kishore published a repertory of mind. He published a repertory of mind which was based on Dr. Kent and Dr. Bonny-Hussein both. Okay, so 117. Right answer is, okay, wait a minute. Okay, it was 113. Right answer is both. Okay, so it was based on both the repertory Kent and Bonny-Hussein. 114. In which of the following condition a common symptom can change into a characteristic symptom? So 114, the right answer is D. When qualified by alternating with other symptom when absent in a particular disease. So these questions 115, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, I am leaving these questions. Okay, so you do it by yourself. Question number 121. Latin word repertorium or repertoire means all except. So this question is important. So Latin word repertorium or repertoire means all except a manual. Okay, so it means an inventory and then a table, a compendium. Next question 122. T in NER repertory indicate toxicological proving. So T in NER repertory indicate toxicological proving. Question 123. When more than one repertory is used to find the simillimum, it is known as cross repertorization. So cross repertorization is the right answer. Option C. Question 124. Which method of repertorization is called keynote method? So fourth method is known as keynote method. Next 125. Which of the following symptoms should be included in fifth method? So in fifth method we see all these symptom: temperament, etiological factor, family history and everything. Okay. Question 126. Technical nosological terms are taken in which method? So last method, sixth method, nosological terms we consider. Question 127. Which of the following is the standard method of repertorization? So standard method is total addition process. Okay, so standard method is total addition process. Question 128. Who differentiated patient and remedies into two main class, hot and cold? So answer is Gibson Miller. So Gibson Miller. Okay. 129. Use of repertory include all except. So use of repertory include all except it is not used for final selection of remedy. Question 130. Symptom which help to eliminate some important medicine to facilitate, okay, so which help to eliminate only, you should know the answer, eliminating symptom. 131, problem definition of a patient, include knowing the patient is. So this answer is all. Okay. 132, the field which differentiate medicine is called PDF, potential differential field. Question 133, objective of case taking include all except. So we do not do case taking for understanding the patient. We do case taking to manage the case, to diagnose the case, to find the simillimum, and to cure the patient. Okay. Question 134, individual who do not take much interest in describing their ailment, they are known as indolent because they are very lazy. Question 135, according to whom a homeopath must know the patient spiritually, भी जानो, emotionally, physically, sociologically. ऐसा किसने बोला? एलिजाबेथ राइट ने. ठीक है. 136, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेंटल सिम्टम इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू केंट. सो मेंटल सिम्टम विच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू केंट इज जेलेसी. 137, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज फिजिकल जनरल सिम्टम. सो ऑल. डिजायर, एवर्जन, ailments from particular symptom which is present in more than 2 locations. So these are all physical general symptom. Question number 138, study of old and recent symptom help the physician to understand all of the above. 139, wait for 138 question on 138, study of old and recent symptom help the physician to understand progress of disease, dominant miasm, prognosis of the case, and all of the above. Okay. Symptom which are self contradictory, opposite in nature. So self contradictory symptom we know, paradoxical symptom. 140, logical resolving or separating of whole symptomatology into different component is known as. So this particular question is asked. Case analysis, ये case analysis का ही definition है. What is case analysis? It is logically resolving or separating of whole symptomatology into different components. This is known as case analysis. 141, process of rearranging the information obtained from case taking to form a comprehensive image is known as synthesis. Question 142, repertory is index of symptoms. So this also you have to learn. Question number 142, repertory is just index to symptom. Question number 143, so 142 is a star mark question. Okay. Question 143, Indian author who wrote repertory is all. P. Sankaran, N.M. Chaudhary, K.K. Sarkar. Question 144, in 1963 repertory of new medicine was written by. So this question, repertory of new medicine was written by Stephenson. Okay. 1963. Question 145, number of grades in synthesis and synthetic repertory is. So 145 option C, 4. In synthetic and synthesis both 4 grades. 146, record keeping helps in all of the above, to assess the miasm, to assess prognosis, second prescription also. Question number 147, characteristic symptom of a disease is. Characteristic symptom of a disease is what? So 147 pathognomic, or 147 right answer is A, pathognomic only. Okay. So characteristic symptom of any disease is pathognomic. Question number 148, subjective symptom are felt by. Subjective symptom, subject by the patient. 149, who finally revised BTPB? It was revised by N.K. Banerjee. So this name is important, N.K. Banerjee. Okay. It was revised, BTPB. 150, best repertory is which repertory? Which one makes oneself? Okay. 151, in 1953 Jahar's new manual or symptom codex was translated and edited by. So this question, 1953 Jahar's new manual was translated and edited by. So 151 answer is Hempel and Quinn, both Hempel and Quinn. 152, in 1953 dysentery and its repertory of medicine was written by. So dysentery, about dysentery, which author? So Humphrey. So Humphrey, 1953. I don't know the pronunciation of this name, so just remember this name. Okay. Humphrey, for writing dysentery and its repertory of medicine. About dysentery he wrote. H say, this is H. Next 153 question, in 1876 repertory of new medicine was written by C.P. Hart. So this question 153 question, repertory of new medicine was written by C.P. Hart, and here in 1963 repertory of new medicine was written by Stephenson. So in 1963 it was written by Stephenson, and in 1876 matlab earlier only C.P. Hart. Okay. Next, question 154. In the year 1890, classified index of materia medica for urogenital and venereal diseases was written by. So for urogenital 154 का answer है B, option B. So this question is also important, I think, because this particular repertory of urogenital and venereal disease, it was written by Carleton and Collis. Okay. Next, 155. In 1993, clinical repertory of new homeopathic remedy was written by. So clinical repertory of new homeopathic remedy 155 was written by O.A. Julian. So this is also important. O.A. Julian, star mark question. Clinical repertory of new homeopathic. Now next, 156. In Kent repertory medicine for the rubric hypocrisy is phosphorus. 157. Which of the following is a fastidious remedy according to Kent? So both arsenic and nux vomica, they are both fastidious. 158. In Kent repertory medicine for the rubric squanders money is veratrum album. 159. In Kent repertory medicine for rubric astigmatism is tuberculinum. 160. In Kent repertory medicine for necrosis of nose is phosphorus. Okay, necrosis is phosphorus. Next, 161. According to Kent repertory medicine for painless inflammation of throat. Painless inflammation. Without inflammation there is throat pain. So medicine is Baptisia. 162. In Kent repertory medicine for moist excrescence in umbilicus is Calcarea carb. So important, moist excrescence in umbilical medicine is Calcarea carb. Calcarea carb. 163. Medicine for sensation as if penis is absent. So this is cocaine. 164. In Kent repertory medicine for numbness in the region of kidney, we all know Barberis vulgaris. 165. In Kent repertory medicine for the rubric closing eyes in night. Closing the eyes in night excite the cough. So medicine is Heparsulf. So very important medicine, Heparsulf. If the person close the eyes, cough is excited. So Heparsulf. Next, in Kent repertory medicine for cough on writing. Oh my god. Medicine for cough for writing, medicine is Cinna. In Kent repertory medicine for immovable chest. So immovable chest, medicine is phosphorus. So very important this question. 168. In Kent repertory medicine for thick skin of soul. Thick skin of the soul is arsenic. Remember arsenic, thick skin of the soul. Okay. Don't do this medicine. Antium crude. Arsenic is the right answer. Next, 169. According to Kent repertory medicine for slow growth of fingernail. So this is antimonium crude. The fingernail does not grow. 117. Kent repertory medicine for brittle bone, both the medicine, Calcarea carb also and symphytum also, both Calcarea carb and symphytum. 171. Question in Kent repertory medicine for bad effect for overuse of silesia. Okay, so silesia bad effect, fluoric acid. Next, 172. In Kent's repertory medicine for ear freezing. Ear, I'm so bad with drawing. So if this, remember this is the face of a person and this is the ear, and I am writing here zinc. So ear freeze easily, medicine is Incamet. 173. Question, which of the following rubric is present in head chapter of Kent repertory? So head chapter, all of these three rubrics. Sunstroke also, cerebral hemorrhage is there, and lice, all. Okay. Next, 174. Which of the following rubric is not present in the eye chapter of Kent repertory? So myopia is not present, remember. Okay. Rest all, glaucoma is there, atrophy of optic nerve, and photophobia. Question number 175. Hay fever is found in nose chapter of the Kent repertory. 176. Which of the following rubric are found in face chapter? So face chapter, all of the above. Linea nasalis is there, lockjaw is there, rhizus sardonicus, all. 177. Which is not present in mouth chapter of Kent repertory? So not present is, answer is peeling lips is not present. Now question number 178. Which of the following rubric are present in the chapter of external throat? So present all. So goiter is present, swelling cervical gland, and torticollis. All of these three rubrics are present, okay, in external throat of Kent repertory. Question 179. Which of the following rubric is not present in stomach chapter of Kent repertory? So food is not present. Rest, appetite, hiccup, and nausea, these all are present. Okay, food is not present in stomach chapter of Kent repertory. 180, bubo is found in which chapter of Kent repertory? So abdomen. 181, which of the following rubric are present in rectum chapter? In the rectum chapter, so all of the above: hemorrhoids, cholera, worm, all of the above. Okay. Question 182, rubric urination is present in the bladder. So bladder, urination is present. Okay. So remember this. Next, 183, which of the following rubric is present in kidney chapter? So in kidney chapter, both Addison disease is present and suppression of urine. Suppression of urine is also present here. Next, 184, question, which of the following rubric is present in urethra chapter of Kent repertory? So all. In urethra we can find gonorrhea, chordy and syphilis, all of these. Okay, so gonorrhea, chordy and syphilis. Next, question number 185, rubric sugar is present in which chapter of Kent repertory? So urine. So remember, this question is very ultra important. Hey Bhagwan. In 185 question, rubric sugar is found in the urine chapter. Remember this. 186, which of the following rubric is not present in genitalia chapter? Not present पूछा है तो gonorrhea is not there. Okay. Rest all hydrocele is present, because gonorrhea is present in urethra chapter, na, so that's why it's not present in genitalia chapter. So in genitalia we can find hydrocele, masturbation, phimosis. Okay. Next, question 187, which of the following rubric is not present in genitalia female? Again, not present. Nymphomania is not present, it is in the mind chapter. Rest all abortion, menopause, sterility we can see. 188, rubric croup is present in larynx and trachea. So croup is very important, larynx and trachea. 189, snoring is present in respiration chapter. This is also important. Snoring is present in respiration chapter. Question number 190. We are left with last 10 questions. So question 190, rubric whooping cough is present in cough chapter. 191, expectoration forcibly flies out of the mouth. So this is present in the expectoration chapter only. Okay, whooping cough is present in the cough chapter. Expectoration is present in expectoration chapter. 192, which of the following rubric is present in the chest chapter? So chest chapter, paralysis of diaphragm, emphysema is also there, and discharge from nipples is also there in the chest chapter of the Kent repertory. 193, curvature of spine is present in the back chapter, of Kent repertory. 194, which of the following rubric is found in the extremities chapter of Kent repertory? So in extremities chapter, anthrax, chorea, late learning to walk, all of the above is the right answer. Next, last 5 question, 195, rubric yawning is present in the sleep chapter. So this is frequently asked. 196, quartan, quotidian and tertian fever is present in which chapter of Kent repertory? So chill chapter. Okay. 197, which of the following rubric is present in the fever chapter of Kent repertory? So all of the above, like septic fever, yellow fever, puerperal fever. Last 2 question. Question number 198, perspiration of whole body except face is found in which chapter? So perspiration chapter of Kent repertory. Question number 199, which of the following is not present in the skin chapter? So ganglia is not present. So this is a doubtful question, I don't know the answer. Question number 200, which of the following is present in the skin chapter of Kent repertory? So all of the above: chicken pox, psoriasis and leprosy. All of the above is the right answer. So we are done with 200 question. I'll give you one extra question. 201, rubric cyanosis is found in generality chapter of Kent repertory. Okay. So we are done with this video. Keep revising. Okay. These was all the very important 200 MCQs for repertory subject.